Hello everyone, welcome to my video today. I'm showing you how to install your Windows 11 from Pendrive. So today I'm showing you physically from Lenovo ThinkPad X on Carbon. So let's start. Already my pendrive is connected to USB port. Now I am just starting laptop and pressing F12. This is the F12. Continue pressing and it will come to boot option. Let's see what coming. Okay, so you need to select from arrow, below arrow, and you need to show the USB and this my USB and press enter. So let's see how it start. So already it's starting. I'm showing you okay. So it's showing the language page. You need to by default and next here. Keyboard or input method, US no problem. So here showing I would like to Windows 11 install or repair my PC. It should be by default and need to click at tick mark, then next. Let's start loading. Let's see how it's come. Then again need to accept. Alright, it's have actually more folder at here, so I need to choose the C drive at here. So basically it's my C drive because it's the GB showing and majority of the showing MB. So basically MB KB should not be the C drive, so it's the C drive. And you need to format partition or delete partition. So I will elaborate more about this options at here. So today I am just making the delete partition. Let's see how it's come. Alright, so next button already visible. It's just starting and install. So it's just finally starting the Windows 11 installing with showing the percentage. It's just taken a restart. So let's see. It start another update and installing it as well. So far it's come already the final page. So already install is completed. Now it's have some basic setup last of the moment. As usual, you can take it skip and Wi-Fi. I'm just giving the Wi-Fi password at here. Next. checking for some updates. So finally it's come the device name, and I can also skip it here. So I'm giving the like test laptop. You can give your name or anything else at here, and next. It's not taking, so I'm just giving the only test. So lastly, this page is come. One is setup for personal use and setup for work or school. Actually, we need to select setup for personal use because it's a personal laptop. Then next. So it's come the final page to create the pin. Actually, Windows 11 have the additional feature to create the pin, so you need to create a pin. So I'm just making simple some pin actually at here. Let's try to give in the 6 digit. Next. I'm selecting it here, set up a new PC. So guys, seeing the final phase for this. So after taking some seconds or minutes, it will come the final Windows 11 page. Thank you very much for watching the video.